Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the rotation text effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to add the black screen to the track and add the text, select default text. And you can adjust for duration and length and change for the text. After done, you can change for the font size. Sorry, the font style and our font size, and then font color. Go to animation, select loop, and you can scroll down until you find your rotate. Just add to your text. You can adjust for the duration. You can adjust for the speed for the animation. You can scroll to the right, swipe to the right to make it slower. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.